Have you ever stood in front of a waterfall and wondered, how does something so powerful and beautiful even form? Waterfalls aren't just random parade wonders. They're the result of thousands, sometimes millions of years of geological change. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly how waterfalls form, why they exist, and what keeps them flowing. By the end of this video, you'll never look at a waterfall the same way again. At its simplest, a waterfall is a place where water flows over a vertical drop in a river or stream. But that drop doesn't just appear overnight. It's created by differences in the land beneath the water. Most waterfalls form where two types of rock meet: a hard, resistant rock layer, a softer, easily eroded rock layer. This contrast is the key to everything. Let's break it down step by step. First, a river flows over land that has both hard and soft rock. The soft rock erodes faster because it's weaker. Over time, water begins to carve it away, creating a dip or ledge beneath the harder rock. As erosion continues, that dip becomes steeper and deeper. Eventually, the harder rock above is left hanging over the edge. This is called an overhang. Now, gravity takes over. The water begins to fall vertically, creating what we recognized as a waterfall. But it doesn't stop there. The falling water hits the base with force, causing more erosion. This process creates a deep pool at the bottom called a plunge pool. As the plunge pool gets deeper, it undercuts the rock behind the waterfall. Eventually, the overhang collapses. This causes the waterfall to slowly move backward over time, a process known as retreat. So, why do waterfalls exist in the first place? There are a few main reasons. Number one, differences in rock types. As we mentioned earlier, waterfalls often form where hard rock sits on top of softer rock. This uneven erosion creates the drop. Number two, tectonic activity. Movements in the Earth's crust can lift land unevenly, creating sudden elevation changes where waterfalls can form. Number three, glaciers. During the last ice age, glaciers carved out valleys. When they melted, rivers were left flowing over steep edges, creating waterfalls. Number four, volcanic activity. Lava flows can harden into rock layers. When water flows over these uneven layers, waterfalls can develop. In short, waterfalls exist because Earth's surface is constantly changing. A waterfall only exists as long as there is water feeding it. This water usually comes from rainfall, melting snow, or underground springs. The amount of water can change depending on the season. That's why some waterfalls are massive and powerful after heavy rain, but smaller or even dry during droughts. Gravity is the constant force pulling the water down, but the water cycle keeps it going. Evaporation, to clouds, to rain, to rivers, to waterfalls. Not all waterfalls look the same. There are different types based on how water flows. Plunge waterfalls, water falls freely without touching the rock. Very dramatic. Horsetail waterfalls, water stays in contact with the rock as it falls. Cascade waterfalls, water flows down a series of small steps. Tiered waterfalls, multiple distinct drops, one after another. Each type is shaped by the land it flows over. Waterfalls don't last forever. Over time, erosion continues to wear down the rock. The waterfall retreats further upstream, becoming smaller and less steep. Eventually, it can disappear completely, leaving behind a smoother river. So, every waterfall you see is actually in a temporary stage of Earth's evolution. Waterfalls may look timeless, but they're constantly changing, shaped by water, rock, and time. Next time you see one, remember you're looking at nature in motion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.